This is the first response before the fire becomes a disaster. A small needle decides whether it is ready or just decoration. So how does this life-saving cylinder begin? Steel starts as ore, then becomes heat force and structure. Rolled thin enough to shape and strong enough to hold pressure. Then it travels heavy, silent, and unforgiving. Aluminum parts shave weight where it counts. Valves are brass because corrosion and pressure do not forgive. Dry chemical is engineered to smother reactions fast. CO2 is purified, compressed, and stored, ready to displace oxygen. Foam is not soap. It is a tuned mixture that blankets fuel. Hundreds of parts, each one a failure point if done wrong. Everything converges here, where pressure vessels become safety. If the shell is wrong, nothing else matters. Now we build the vessel that has to hold every time. It starts with a cut accurate enough to become pressure tight. The cylinder is not cast, it is formed. That seam becomes the spine of the whole extinguisher. Ends are formed to spread pressure like an arch. Two parts become one sealed chamber. Even the base matter's stability prevents damage. The neck is shaped for the valve that controls everything. Threads must seal under stress and reopen without stripping. A test fit now prevents leaks later. Welded steel holds tension, heat resets it. A crooked vessel becomes a weak vessel. Paint only sticks to a surface that has been truly cleaned. Any residue becomes a future blister. Critical surfaces stay bare, so seals can actually seal. This red is not paint. It is powder fused into armor. Heat turns dust into a shell that resists rust and impact. Before pressure, before powder, before everything must settle. Every cylinder is challenged safely before it is trusted. If there is a weak point, this is where it confesses. Moisture left inside becomes corrosion and failure. A gauge does not just indicate, it warns. Inside the cylinder, the pickup tube decides what comes out first:
ABC powder must pour fast and settle consistently.
This joint is the seal between stored force and safe control. CO2 needs a horn because cold gas can bite. Foam works by covering fuel-starving flames of vapor. CO2 brings its own pressure liquid turning to gas. Water extinguishers are simple until freezing corrosion and bacteria are considered. Leaks do not look dramatic until the day you need the pressure. Safety features prevent accidents and prove if it has been used.
Instructions matter, but the build quality matters more.
It confirms fill without opening what is sealed. A chip becomes rust. Rust becomes weakness.
Shipping is the last test before the customer ever touches it.
From single cylinders to fleets prepared for schools, factories, airports. Once it leaves its job is simple: be ready. A factory cannot prevent every fire, but it can build the first response right.
This video is created through a human-AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high-quality scenes generated using Veo 3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.